Okay, now since you guys know what I have, let me compare.
Did anyone else?
Okay, guys. This is the lock. I presume this is locked. This is unlocked. Now, there's two ways to close these. Put your fingernail underneath here and pull up, or you do that. Put your finger there and the blade closes. So these are the, this is the Italian Milano, which my gold one did just break on me. That's why if you guys notice, this isn't the gold one. My gold one has failed after probably about maybe 50 openings. It got loose. Something came apart inside there, and I think it could be repaired. I just have to put it back together. So let's compare the sizes here. I think this is 10-inch, if I remember. So it's basically a bigger knife. The blade, yeah, the blade's longer, and the knife overall itself is longer. It's a little thicker. I have a big hand, and it fits into my hand really nice. This is a little loose. Let's see if I can close that. No, you can't close it without it doing it. And the blade's rainbow. Let's see how it feels sharp. Let me see just how sharp this guy is. I guess it's about as sharp as the rest of them. Now let me go get the other model. I have another model like this, but it's not this long. I want to compare the because this doesn't open very strongly, in my opinion. These Milanos close a lot stronger, but the one thing that I have to say with the Milano is I have one that failed, that broke. where none of this kind has broke yet on me. So let me go get one of the other ones like that, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. This is fake abalone. It's called fox abalone. This is the same kind of design. So this white one is longer, because this is the Godfather version, so it's supposed to be longer. That's why I got it, because it's a little bit. It's 10 inches, where these are, I think these are like 8.75. So let's see how this opens. If it feels. This also has an area where the lock is, this milled out, where that doesn't. Okay, let's see how this opens. I guess it's not, yeah, it doesn't open as strong as the Italian Milano. So this has the Damascus blade. Okay. You know, I don't understand why they send these things to me with a case, because they just don't. They do not fit in these cases easy. All right. Okay, now this is my gold one. As you see, the gold one here is pretty thick. And this is overall a heavy knife. To tell you the truth, I wouldn't mind having another one of these guys. This was actually sent to me by mistake by Slash to Gas. I ordered, I actually wanted another Milano, all gold, like the one that just broke on me, but they sent me this by mistake. And I'm actually glad, because I like this better. This actually opens a lot faster than the other ones of this design. And let's see, the last one I have here. Okay, this is another, yeah, this is another 10-incher. It's the same size. Tell you the truth, I didn't even know I had this. The only difference here is, I think the handles on this one here are a little thicker. Other than that, it's the same overall knife. And you can see here it says Italian Milano, and this one here, it doesn't have anything on it. Doesn't even have a made in China on it. Oh, you can see. Right in here it says stainless made. It says stainless China. So of course it's made in China. That's where all these come from. So that's my latest edition, guys. And the only thing is these two are the same size, but there's no milled out area where the lock is. Like this one here is milled out. Now, if I was to recommend a knife, I'd recommend you guys get one of these. Just simply because it's gold with the pearl handles. I think this is one of the nicest knives I've ever had. You know, and this opens a lot faster than these larger switchblades. Now these go for, I think they go for like $27.98 or 20. I think the long one went for 20. I think it was $29.98. The shorter ones, they go for $27.98. They're cheap Chinese knives. They won't last forever. These will eventually break, like my other one did. You know, the more you open these, the more life you take off them. They'll probably last maybe 100 opens, then they'll break on. Something will break on them, like the mechanism. The mechanism inside here, there's a plastic stopper in here that continuously wears down. Every time you open these, it wears it down. Then eventually, it won't allow the knife to open, or it'll rotate. It'll get stuck, like happened to me, and then you have to take the knife apart and either repair it or buy another part for it. So, see you guys later.